let's get started.
Hello friends, today we are going to upgrade your mirror using butterflies. See, these butterflies I brought from Amazon. These are acrylic actually, not the real mirrored ones. So for this you need them and stickers like this and a mirror of course and a glue gun. So let's get started. You have to stick all these butterflies to the edges of your mirror. And how? Let me tell you. Actually, these mirrors are provided, these butterflies are provided with two stickers. One is a film which is protecting the upper shiny portion, and another is a one which is actually protecting the sticky part of your butterfly. So for this, first you have to remove the lower layer, not the upper layer. You have to remove the upper layer only once the craft is completed, otherwise you will get the scratches on it. Then I'm going to stick these butterfly to the diagonally to two edges. So for this I'm going to start like this. First, see, you have to stick it like this. Every time, once you have prepared sticking your butterflies completely, then only you use the glue gun. Otherwise, if you use the glue gun, if anything wrong happens, then you can't correct it. So it is better you use the sticker which is provided at the back of the butterfly for doing the first sticking. Okay. If you do it without a glue gun, then it is possible for you to remove the butterflies as well as stick them properly if you feel they are not done nicely. The first side, you have to continue the same pattern diagonally over here, then it will look nice. Once it is done, it will look like this. See, next step is you have to glue down every butterfly with the help of a glue gun. I'm not showing this particular part because it will take really long time. So like this you have to glue them. Just a simple small portion of the glue and just glue them. You have to follow this step for all your butterflies. Next comes how to attach them. We are using these stickers also, so we have to attach them like this so that all the gaps that is left will be covered with this. Okay, now it is done. The next step is you have to remove all the films that are there on your आप